Hello everyone. Today we are going to start decimals, in which we are going to do expanded form of decimals and comparison of decimals. As my first question is 234.418. Now my question is how to write it in expanded form. Expanded form mean you have to break this number according to its place value. All of you know about its place value. 4, this 4 is under which place? Under 10th place. 1 is under 100th place. 8 is under 1000th place. And as I told you earlier in the last video, this number you will read it collectively as 234. How will you write 234 as expanded form? You will write 200 plus 30 plus 4. Plus this point, I will remove this with plus. So I will write 200 plus 30 plus 4 plus 4 upon 10. 4 upon 10 means 4 tenth plus 1 hundredth, as I have written here, plus 8 thousandth. Next is 106.078. So how I will write the expanded form of this? I will write it as 100 plus 6, because you can skip this 0, plus 7 is under which place? 100th. So what do you mean by 700th? 7 upon 100 plus 8,000th. So what is the meaning of 8,000th? 8 upon 1000. You can skip these zeros. Next example is 68.509. So what is the expanded form of this? Think about it. Yes, it would be 60 plus 8 plus 5 tenth plus 9 hundredth. In this also I have skipped this 0. This 0 I have skipped. Okay, you can skip. Just be careful. Whenever you are writing any decimal number in expanded form, you have to go by its place value. For that, you have to keep in mind the place value of every digit. Now, you have to write the decimal number. We are going to do reciprocal of above questions. In the last question, we have given you decimal number and you have to write the expanded form of that number. But in this type of question, I am giving you this expanded form and you will give me the answer in decimals. Same, 20 plus 5, that is 25, means 25 whole parts you have. So you will write 25 point. Then 3 tenth means you will write 3 under 10th. 1 upon 100 means 100th. It means I will write 1 under 100th and 9,000th. So I will write 9 under 1000th. So answer would be 25.319. Next is 300 plus 70 plus 4 tenth plus 800th plus 2000th. So how will you write 300 plus 70? All of you know 300 plus 70 is? Yes, 370. Then you have some fractional part. All of you know where to write fractional part? Yes, in decimal part. So you will write 0.4 under 10th, 8 under 100th and 2 under 1000th. So your answer would be like this: 370.4 tenth, 8 hundredth, 2 thousandth. Next question is 6 tenth plus 5 hundredth plus 8 thousandth. Now I have given only fractional part, no whole part is there. So in whole part you will write 0. Only you have to convert this fractional part into decimal. So I will write 6 under 10th, 5 under 100th and 8 under 1000th. So answer would be 0.658. You can write 10 only, or you can skip this 0, but this point, this decimal is compulsory to write to show that you are writing only decimal part. My next topic is types of decimals. We have two types of decimals, as one is like decimals and another one is unlike decimals. So what are like decimals? Like decimals are numbers having same number of decimal places. What is the meaning of this? Same number of decimal places. As you can see in this example, 2.437, 14.308 and 9.167. Check the decimal part. In 2.437, I have only 3 decimal places. In 14.308, again I have 3 decimal places. And in this 9.167, I have 3 decimal places. So this example is of like decimals having same number of decimal places. How many decimal places are there in each? Yes, 3 decimal places are there in each. So what are like decimals? Like decimals are numbers having same number of decimal places. Second is unlike decimals. Similar to this like decimals, we can say unlike decimals are decimals having different number of decimal places. As like means same, unlike means different. So we have this definition having different number of decimal places. As you can see the example, 14.301, 12.443 and 9.6. Check the decimal part. In first one, I have 3 decimal places. In the second one, I have 2 decimal places. And in the third one, I have only 1 decimal place. So all are unequal. I am checking only number of digits. So each one having different number of decimal places. So I will say these are unlike decimals. Now we are going to start with few examples of like and unlike decimals. As in this first example, check these are like or unlike decimals. Check the decimal portion only. In 7.308, I have 3 decimal places. In the next one, 5.009, I have 3 decimal places. And in the next one, 13.744, again I have 3 decimal places. So which kind of decimals we have? Like or unlike? Yes, we have like decimals having 3 decimal places in each. Next example is 8.025, 5.26, 5.94 and 8.3. Again check the decimal places. 3 decimal places in first one. In second one I have 2 decimal places. Again in the third one I have 2 decimal places. And in the fourth one I have only 1 decimal place. So these are which kind of decimal? Yes, these are unlike decimals having different decimal places. Next example is 94.35, 105.627 and 86.549. Now check which kind of decimals you have. Yes, you have unlike decimals. You know the reason, I think, because I have 2 decimal places in the first, and in second and third we have 3 decimal places. So we have different decimal places. So I will write these are unlike decimals. Next is 105.62, 521.86, 947.85. Which kind of decimals we have? Yes, we have like decimals having same number of decimal places. As in this, I have 2 decimal places in each, as in this 6-2. In the first one, I have 2 decimal places. In the next number, again I have 2 decimal places. In the last one, again I have 2 decimal places. Now our topic is comparing of decimal. How will you compare the decimals numbers? Now, to start with comparison of decimals, there are some rules to follow. First one is you have to make all decimal numbers as like decimals. You will not start work whenever you have unlike decimals. So be careful before starting comparison of decimal. You have to make the decimal numbers like. Means you have to make decimal number like having same number of decimal places. And how will you make them like? Just by putting zeros at the extreme end. Where? In the decimal part, because whenever you are talking about like or unlike decimals, we are only talking about decimal parts. That number of places should be equal. As I am taking this example, 19.023 and 19.027. First compare the whole part. Before that, you have to check we have like decimals or unlike decimal. 19.023 and 19.027 both have 3 decimal places. Yes, so we can start the comparison. So first we have done that like decimals. Now compare whole part. As the rule says, you have to first compare whole part. Do you have any conclusion after comparing whole part? This left hand side we have 19 as whole part, and on right hand side I have again 19 as whole part. So we don't have any conclusion here. Which one is the greater or which one is smaller? So after that, after comparing whole part, you have to compare 10th place. So you can see here in the on left hand side 0 is under 10th place. On right hand side again I have 0 on 10th place. So no conclusion we have. Next step, compare 100th place. After 10th, compare 100th place. 2 is under 100th place, and on right hand side again 2 is at 100th place. Again I don't have any conclusion, both are equal. Next step, compare 1000th place. Here 3 is under 1000th place on left hand side, and on right hand side I have 7 on 1000th place. So which one is bigger? Of course 7 is bigger. So you can put the sign 3 is bigger or 7 is bigger. Yes, 7 is bigger. So I will put this sign of greater than this side. So what are the rules? First you have to compare whole parts, then start comparing decimal parts. Start from 10th place. First compare 10th place, then 100th place. If you are not getting any conclusion, again compare 100th place, 1000th place, and so on. I hope you understood this part, how to compare decimals. Now, next example is 42.875 and 423.95. First check, are they like? No. So first make them like just by adding 0 here. Now, next step is compare whole part. 42 on left hand side and 423 on right hand side. By comparing whole part, you can see which one is smaller or greater. So of course 42 is smaller than 423. So which decimal number would be bigger? Yes, answer would be 423.95 would be bigger. Next example, as in this 0.074 and 0.0704. Before comparison, again you have to convert them into like. As you can see in the next step, we have done like this. I have 3 decimal places here. On the other side, I have 4 decimal places. So first make like decimal by adding 0 at the extreme end. So I have added one 0 here. Now in second step, you can check both decimal numbers have same number of decimal places. Yes, so we have 4 decimal places on left hand side and right hand side. Now compare whole part. 0, 0. No conclusion we have. Compare 10th part. 0, 0. Do you have any conclusion? No. Now compare 100th place. On 100th place I have 7, and in right hand side again I have 7. Again no conclusion we have. Next step is compare 1000th place. So 1000th place I have 4 here on 1000th place, and in right hand side I have 0 at 1000th place. I think you got your answer. 4 is bigger than 0. Just by checking this, you will put the sign of greater this side. So answer would be 0.074 would be bigger than 0.0704. Come to the next example. 0.2 or 0.201. Which one is bigger? Again, check, are they like decimals? No, they are unlike decimals. So how will you make them like? Yes, by adding zeros at the extreme ends. Here I have put 2 zeros at the extreme end. Why? Because I want to make 3 decimal places here. As on right hand side you have given 3 decimal places. So to make 3 decimal places on left hand side, I will add 2 zeros at the extreme end. Now compare both. Left hand side you have 0.200, on right hand side you have 0.201. I think you know the answer. Compare whole part. No conclusion. Compare 10th part. no conclusion. Compare 100th place, no conclusion. Compare 1000th place. Yes, you got the conclusion that 1 is bigger than 0. So this 0.201 would be bigger. Next is 0.08 and 0.0799. This example is for you. You have to check which number is bigger. Be careful. Before starting comparison, you have to make them like. Yes, you have to make like decimal, because this side, on right hand side, I have 4 decimal places. On left hand side, I have only 2 decimal places. So how will you make 4 decimal places here in 0.08? Yes, by putting 2 more zeros here. Then you can compare both. So I hope you have understood both the topics, expanded form and comparison of numbers. Thank you. Have a nice day.